Okay, good day, class.
Good day, ma'am.
Okay, so are you guys ready to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, secretary, kindly check the list of the absentees and give it to me later after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, the objectives of this lesson for today is to identify and define nouns. Next is classify different types of nouns. And lastly is apply the usage of nouns by constructing their own sentences. So before we begin with our discussion for today, I have our motivation. So the title of this game is Wannabe Detective. Okay, so kindly read the direction. Okay, Miss Allison.
Direction. To play the wannabe detective, the class will be divided into 3 groups. As the facilitator, I will be presenting a set of phrases for you to analyze and list all the nouns you can find. Collaborate with your group members to discuss and identify the nouns within the phrases. You'll be given 3 minutes to discuss within your group. Once the time is up, share your findings with the rest of the class. Engage in a class-wide discussion to confirm the correct nouns and address any uncertainties or debates. Enjoy playing the wannabe detective game and sharpen your noun identification skills.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Allison. So I have divided you for into 3 groups. So I have sent the groups in the GC. Okay. So assuming that we have finished this motivation, let's go to our discussion. So our topic for today is exploring nouns, the building blocks of language. So noun. Miss Alana, can you read the first slide?
A noun is a word that represents a person, place, things, or idea. Number one, it is fundamental part of speech and serves as the subject or object of a sentence. Nouns can be concrete, referring to tangible objects, or abstract, referring to ideas or concepts.
So thank you, Miss Alana. So additionally, nouns can be classified further into common nouns, which refers to general things, and proper nouns, which refers to specific names of a people, place, or things. Nouns can also have grammatical features such as number, singular or plural, and case, subjective, objective, and possessive. So here are the some examples in each type of nouns. Common nouns, book, dog, city, and car. For proper nouns is John, Paris, Coca-Cola, Mount Everest. For concrete nouns, table, chair, tree, and apple. For the abstract noun, love, happiness, courage, and freedom. And lastly, for the possessive nouns, Sarah's book, the company's logo, and the children's toys. Okay. So let's go to the types of nouns. First is common nouns. Kindly read Miss Leslie.
So, common nouns. These are general nouns that refer to people, places, things, or ideas in a non-specific way. Examples: dog, city, and book.
Okay, thank you, Miss Leslie. So for the examples, it's like generalized, right? No specific name or brand name for the things or a person or place. Proper noun. Kindly read, Miss Allison.
Proper noun. These are specific nouns that refer to particular people, places, or things. They are capitalized. Examples include John, Paris, and Mount Everest.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Allison. So for the proper nouns, we use capital words or capital letters for the proper nouns. Example is the John, because it is named as a specific person, and Paris is a specific place, so we put capital letter P. Okay, next is concrete nouns. Kindly read Miss Pastrana.
Concrete nouns. These nouns refer to tangible, physical objects that can be perceived through the senses. Examples include table, chair, and apple.
Thank you so much, Miss Pastrana. And for the abstract noun represents ideas, qualities, or concepts that cannot be physically perceived. Example includes love, happiness, freedom, or knowledge. So to differentiate concrete and abstract, concrete can be held, and abstract is mere qualities. Example is the love. You cannot hold love, right? It's mere quality. And for the table, you can see the table, you can see it physically, you can hold it. Okay, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next one is possessive nouns. Possessive nouns indicate ownership or possession. They are formed by adding an apostrophe s to the noun. Example includes John's car, the dog's bone, or the company's logo. So in these examples, we use the apostrophe s to put ownership. Okay, you can put John Carr. Okay, it may sound weird, so we use the apostrophe s. Okay, collective nouns. Kindly read, Miss Allison.
Collective nouns. Collective nouns are used to refer to a group or collection of people, animals, or things as a single entity. Examples include team, herd, family, or flock.
All right, thank you, Miss Allison. So as what we've heard, it's a group, right? Collective, from the word collective, it's a group. So like when you call a group of um baby lions, they are called cubs. Okay, that's for an example. And a group of birds, it's called flock of birds. Okay, next is the compound nouns. Okay, Miss Leslie Lamera, kindly read.
Compound nouns are formed by combining two or more words to create a single noun. Example, sunflower, rainbow, or football.
Thank you, Miss Leslie. So for this compound nouns is a use of words, a noun, the from forming a new word, from two words forming new words. Okay, example, this is sunflower, from the base word sun and flower. Okay, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so that's it for our discussion for today so far. So have you learned something?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right, I'm so glad. So to see that your knowledge about our lesson for today, we'll have an short activity. So for this activity, you will read the set of questions carefully and select the best answer by choosing the corresponding letter. Maintain a quiet and respectful environment during the quiz. Okay. So assuming that we have already took the quiz, Okay. We will now proceed to our assignment. Okay, so for our assignment for today, reflect on the lessons about nouns and choose a topic. Write a short creative piece. It may be a story, poem, or paragraph, incorporating various types of nouns: common, proper, concrete, abstract. Okay. Pay attention to the noun placement, agreement, and possessive forms. You may also proofread for errors, and you may submit it to me until the next week, our next meeting. Okay. So this will be our I will end the session for now. So thank you for listening to my discussion right now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you,
Okay.
ma'am.
So you may leave now the link, and goodbye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.